Maybe I did. There we go. Good job.
Girls, come here. Hurry up. That's who's here.
Stay here. She'll come and see you. Okay, go show her how you drive. Finish doing what you're supposed to do. Huh? I'm sure it was. I'm sure you're fit to be tied right now, too. He's been so good.
My camera set.
Is it really?
Yes. And I'm on my last cell from my phone. Can it get any better?
I have videotape, so.
I got it. You want it? You want it? Who is it?
Huh? No, they're driving boats. You're getting away from sharks. This must be to work on listening and following directions. He did some kicking. He did some kicking. And he had to jump 1 foot at a time on the ball. And then he had to jump over the ball. He did that so carefully. So dainty, like a little... He'd stop, he'd jump, and then he'd stop, and he'd lift 1 foot and put it on the ball. Now, are you going to camp today too, or no?
No, Kevin and Zach probably left by now. Because Al had a football
Game this morning already, or
He was leaving early.
his game was?
Oh, Alex's? No, Alex has practice today until 11:30. 30 to 11:30.
Wow.
He had practice yesterday until 6 o'clock.
Yeah. Is he playing for the school?
Yeah.
That's good. Has he done Pop Warner and stuff too, or? Oh, this is his first time. Wow, good for him, and he made it, huh?
Yeah. Zach plays.
Uh-huh.
His first game is on our new stadium.
Oh. That'll be nice. So she never called or anything until she wasn't coming.
No, I can't get you out.
No, I called and called and called and called. Bang down the door.
This girl's mother was supposed to be at my house at 7:30 to get her. No calls, no nothing. I haven't heard from her. I text her. I'm like, I need to leave. So I'm bringing her with me because I haven't heard from you or seen you. Nothing.
Oh, that's fun.
Huh. He got no talking because they're out there playing a game.
I see one over there.
Yeah. That's somebody else's stuff though, not ours.
So she hasn't called yet?